Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite natural remedy DIY YouTuber. So basically in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a simple drink you can make at home to get rid of arm fat, stomach fat, side fat, those your love and those you've been battling with. And this recipe is very effective because we'll be using a powerful ingredient that is very useful for weight loss. Over here I have my ginger, my fresh ginger. This is your negro pepper. This is our garlic. We're going to be peeling off our ginger and slicing it into chunks. Here is our ginger. We're going to slice it into chunks. So over here is our uda, our negro pepper, and we'll be using 10 pieces of it. Open it up and remove the back. So let's do that now. So guys, see, we'll be using 5 pieces of garlic. So guys, this is our 5 seed of garlic. So we'll be needing to boil these 3 ingredients together. You get yourself a pot. A glass cup of water. You pour into it. You put on fire and boil for 5 minutes. Alright, so let's do that now. Let's boil. Boiled uda water, so let's pour it in and sieve out the juice. Our last ingredient is your LIPTON, yellow LIPTON tea. So you put it inside and you leave for a minute. So guys, you put your LIPTON, just one LIPTON, and you allow it to infuse inside the water for just a minute. This drink is very effective for burning your arm fat, for burning your waist fat, your face fat, lots more, neck fat. If you are battling with lots of body fat and you don't really like it, make sure you cultivate the habit of using this drink every morning to burn that body fat that you don't like in your body. Okay, take this first thing in the morning, last thing at night before you go to bed. Do it consistently for 21 days and definitely you will see changes in your body. You notice you start losing that weight you want to see and you start getting slimmer. And also, for this recipe to work well for you, you need to avoid some certain foods like too much carbs, too much sugar content, too much soda and the rest, drinks. Don't try to minimize your food. Don't eat anyhow, and also don't eat late night food. Some of you eat food at 9-10 o'clock. Come on, that's so late, and definitely you are packing fat in your body, in your system. Most of your food won't get digested well before you go to bed, definitely resulting to fat in your body. So make sure you eat right on time and you eat well also. Then you sleep well also to have effective results and see changes in your body. So thank you for watching this video. If it was really helpful to you, leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, come on, what are you waiting for? Join the family. Subscribe right now. Tell your friends about this channel. I post videos weekly. You don't want to miss out on my updates, okay? And thank you very much for always watching my content. To my previous subscribers, thank you so much, and I love you guys. So see you in my next video.